Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Joy M. Elio. I am 43 years old. I'm married. I have three kids, 25, 23, and 19. I am Roman Catholic. I have work experience in Kuwait, UAE, and Singapore.
Okay.
The reason why I want to work in Hong Kong is to provide the need of my family and my kids. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am trustworthy and hardworking person. I respect and honor the 2 years contract that I am signing. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Have a nice day.
Okay. So you mentioned that you have three children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then who will take care of them if you would go to Hong Kong?
My mother, ma'am.
Okay. Do they support you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you have any work right now?
No, ma'am.
So who's the one who provide and sustain the needs of your family?
My elder daughter have work already, ma'am.
Okay. But do you have husband?
Separatedly, ma'am.
Oh, separated. Okay. And who is your motivation? Why do you want to work? Again, in
My kids, ma'am.
abroad. Okay, my kids. Why have you decided to apply to Hong Kong instead of continuing your work in different countries abroad?
Maybe I will explore the another country and to meet another employer, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you choose Hong Kong?
Um, I just see this post in the Facebook near air page, ma'am. That's why I tried to apply to work in Hong Kong.
Okay, and can you tell me your work experience? Let's start it from your latest work experience in Singapore.
I work in Singapore for only 10 months. I start there in April 30, 2024 as a helper for my main duties is cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes, and to help my coworker also.
So what have you decided to resign?
Because my madam is already sick, ma'am, and beating always.
Oh, okay. So she has a sick
Yes,
Ramadan. Okay. And what was your work again there?
Cooking, cleaning, and ironing and washing clothes, ma'am.
Okay. And but have you experienced taking care of your madam?
Yes, ma'am. If my coworker was going out of her day off.
So how old is your madam when you are working there?
85.
85 years old. Okay. And aside from that, can you tell me your work experience in Kuwait?
In Kuwait, I start working in Kuwait since May 19, 2019 as a nanny, taking good care of a newborn baby and the other children, 7 or 4 years old. Cooking, my main duties there also is cooking, cleaning, and washing clothes, ironing, and looking for the newborn baby.
Okay. And do you have any work? I mean, do you have any coworkers during the time?
No, ma'am.
So you are the only helpers.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you are the one who took care the newborn baby as well as the children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me your working routine when you are taking care of them?
My working routine when the newborn baby is already asleep, and then I start working cleaning, and sometimes if the baby is awake, I give it to her mother to ask her to look after the baby, mom. That's-
Okay. How about the children?
The two children is have school, mom.
Okay. But are you the one who accompany them to school?
No, mom.
They have their service.
The father who sent them to school, and the
Mhm.
mother pick up them to school also.
Okay. How about the meals of their family? Who is the one who prepare?
I am the one who prepared. I am the one who cooked the food of the family, especially the newborn baby, mom.
So, what food or what meals do you usually prepare for them?
Sometimes they ask me to cook chicken biryani or mareg, the soup for them, and the salata.
Okay, so how many dishes do you usually prepare a day?
For their lunch is I just prepared one meal only and the salata.
How about for dinner?
Sometimes they order outside, ma'am.
Okay. And how about household works? Are you the only helper who do all of the household works inside their home?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how often they usually clean the following areas of their house? Is it every day or how many times?
Sometimes every day, ma'am. But if the newborn baby was awake, I tried to little bit clean the house only.
Okay. And how big is their house that they usually
It's
clean?
just like a condo unit, ma'am.
How many rooms do they have?
5.
5 rooms. Okay. And can you tell me your work experience in UAE?
In UAE, I started working there in October 2012 until October 2014 as a helper and a co-worker. I helped my co-worker in Indonesia to cook and to clean the house, ma'am.
Okay. So your main responsibilities is the household.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you think that you're proficient in doing household works?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So since you have an experience in taking care of baby, especially the newborn, are you still willing to take care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby could not stop crying? What will you do?
Um, I will let her mother to take the baby, ma'am. That's why the baby will stop crying.
But what if the mother of the baby is not around or is not in their house or in their home? What will you do?
I will carry the baby and I will let him to see outside the house, ma'am.
What if
Will stop
she's
crying.
still? What if the baby is still a newborn? What will you do?
A newborn baby, ma'am. I just give him milk, or I will if he's still not stop crying. I will check her diaper, ma'am. Maybe it's already full of pee or poop, ma'am.
Okay. What if she's still crying? What will you do? Even though you check his or her diaper,
Maybe I will cry her, ma'am.
I will carry.
I will carry her.
Okay. What if she's still crying even though you carry her?
Maybe I will sing a song for him, ma'am.
Okay. But are you going to check his or her temperature? Maybe he's her sick or something that her tummy is aching, something like that. Are you going to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how about toddler? Are you willing to take care of toddler?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the toddler having tantrums? What will you do?
I will ask him or her to play with me, ma'am.
Okay. And can you sing a nursery song?
Um,
Just a
uh,
little bit.
Only ABC, ma'am. I know.
Okay. Can you sing?
A B C D E F G H I J K.
Okay. That's nice. And how about children? Are you willing to take care of children?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the children were fighting and naughty? How do you handle that?
I will stop them or I will take the other one not to fighting anymore and I will ask them to sit or watch TV, ma'am.
Okay. What will you do if the kids have fever?
I will check their temperature, ma'am, or I will call their parents to tell them that the baby have a fever, ma'am.
Okay. And what will you do if the kids hurt?
I will check the body of the baby, ma'am, if she or he hurt herself and any part of her body.
So what will you do if you check the any part of the body and you see that she has a wound or something that her body is hurting?
I will take the medicine kit, ma'am, and then I will put some medicine for the hurt one.
Okay. And for the cooking, do you love cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you would rate your cooking skills from 1 to 10, 1 is being the lowest and 10 is being the highest, so what would you give for yourself?
Maybe I will rate my cooking for 5.
Why 5?
Because maybe my employer will not was not good enough for them, ma'am.
Okay, but are you a fast learner of cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you going to do your best so that you would provide and serve a good food for your family, for the
Yes.
family?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you think if you do that, your employer would love your cooking?
I think so, ma'am.
Okay, do you think that your employer um, would praise you for your cooking skills?
I will not say that they will praise me, ma'am, but will I will prove that I can.
That you can cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and is it okay with you to work with other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
How about to share with the baby's children or elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and can you tell me the characteristics that you have that you think that your employer would know?
I am a hardworking person, respectable and trustworthy, ma'am.
Okay, and do you have any message that you want to send to your prospective employer?
To my employer, please hire me as your helper. I will do my best for my job as your helper, and I am trustworthy and hardworking person, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.